Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I decided to create this look on Wendy Paulet. Wendy Paulet is the CEO of Wendy Paulet Consult TV. She owns a channel here, Wendy Paulet Consult TV. She's a business coach. We are doing her makeup. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this. I'm currently using the Muse Glam Body Radiant to run all over her face. This is a glow. It makes the face glow. I usually I make use of it before foundation, and it serves as primer too. So I'm using that all over her face, especially on the contoured areas. But I'm mixing two foundations. One is Revlon foundation and the other is Milani. Revlon has a red undertone where Milani has yellow undertone. So I want to mix both of them together to create something nice on her skin, because the Revlon is not exactly her shade and the Milani is not exactly her shade. The Revlon is a bit darker while the Milani is lighter. So combining both of them will give me a very nice look on her. You see how it's turning out? It's not yellowish and it's not reddish at the same time. So combining both of them really did it for me with this work. Can you see how it is? The other side is more the other side was more in her skin than the other side had to. Now I'm using
in Fawn.
Elegant Pro Concealer in Fawn to highlight. The Fawn concealer is the Elegant Pro Concealer is the normal random concealer everybody uses. So most times I prefer to use it. That's actually what I've been using for some time now. Though I have a change, I have something new cooking for you guys. See the way I'm blending it. Okay. See the way I'm blending in that concealer into her skin, trying to make her have a very good, flawless skin work. You all know skin work is very, very important in makeup. So in whatever you do, you just have to make everything blend in well into the skin. You don't have to finish the look first before making sure everything is blending in properly. If your undertone, if whatever work you're doing under is well blended in, it will make your work a lot easier while finishing. So I'm trying to blend in everything properly into her skin. I'm using Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut to contour. It's closer to her skin tone. I didn't want to use something very dark because I don't want her contour to be too much. So I'm using it the areas I would normally want to darken a little bit to get a very nice contoured face. After which I'm blending it. Excuse me. I'm blending it now with my beauty blender, the same beauty blender I've been using. This is a Denique beauty blender. Is it Denique or Noban? I just can't remember, but it's either of them. It's a very soft beauty blend. It's a very soft beauty blender and it's damp. So I really do like it. So nice. Oh, see the way her face is very much contoured and setting powder. The skin work is clean at the same time. Now I'm trying to use this brush to clean off, to blend in her under eye, to avoid any kind of cakey kind of look. Now I'm using this Sasha butter powder, loose powder, to set or bake her under eye. her on the eyes. I'm doing the same thing with the other side. So I use my brushes anyhow I want to make use of it. That was actually foundation brush I was using to do that. I just wanted to make sure it's sitting properly. The every product is sitting properly in her skin. So you can play with your brushes. You don't have to have a specific one you're using for anything. Like I feel you can just play with your brushes. Like I play with my brushes a lot. I can use what I use for this to do that. Whatever works for you, man. Whatever works for you. So I am using this NC47 Mac Studio Fix powder to brush out um everything in her face, like to set everything properly into her skin. I'm using with this mauve brush to setting everything properly into her skin, and I am liking every bit of it. I am liking the way um the the process is going. I really like the way everything is blending in properly into her skin. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh, she's such a shakara girl. Okay, so I'm using a tinier brush to also set the nose area that was earlier contoured. So I'm using this brush. This is a concealer brush I'm using to do this, to set the areas. I'm going back with that with that bigger brush to set everything properly. Now I'm using this this is a Maybelline powder. It came in the shade Fawn. It's a super stay powder. It came in the shade Fawn. I don't know, this is my first time trying it out. It's such a lovely powder, I guess, because after I did this makeup, I was expecting it to do something different in the look, and it turned out so lovely. It's such a lovely powder. Can you see the way her face is? On the other side. I don't know if you're noticing anything about this powder. It's very lovely, guys. It is super lovely. I don't know, but to me, I feel it's very lovely. Don't mind her. The light was so much on her eyes, so she was trying to. Okay, I wasn't able to get some part of this video because I didn't know that it wasn't recording. So I did the brows outside the camera, and I sprayed this TM spray. It's a glowy kind of spray. I used it all over her face, and guys, I didn't like it. I like the on a normal, I like the TM essential, sorry, the TM spray. I don't know if it's TM essential, I can't remember, but I like it on a normal, but using it on the skin after foundation, I just didn't like it because it made the whole face look oily kind of. So now I'm doing her eyeshadow. I'm actually doing a very glossy look. She wanted some Beyonce kind of look, something glossy, so I used my NYX lip gloss to gloss up her base before putting the foundation, before putting the eyeshadow. Sorry guys. So I'm using something darker to darken from my mauve eyeshadow palette in the shade 35P. Now I'm setting out her face. You see, earlier that spray actually caused something on her face. I don't know if you saw it earlier. So I'm using this brush. This is my favorite brush, guys. I love this brush. I'm using this brush to set everywhere. This brush has been doing wonders. I call it magic brush. It has been doing wonders for me and I love it. So now I am putting I'm lining her. I'm using eyeliner, guys. Sorry, a black eyeliner on her eyes, and I'm lining it with this mauve eyeliner brush. It's a pin mouth and I love it. Now I'm setting back her eyes because I wanted to reduce the glow. The glow was much. That spray caused a lot of glow. So I tried to reduce it so that it could be like her face can go back to normal, because that glow was so much on her face and I wasn't enjoying it. So now I had to line her waterline with this this is actually a very nice eyeliner I used, and I don't know, I really do like it. So I'm using the color I used on her crease area, I'm using it under her eyes. Okay, yeah, now can you see the skin work? Can you see that? Ooh, I am liking it. I love this. The eyeshadow, the way everything is well blended. That is the key, guys. That is the key. So I have to put a little bit of tear dots. I'm using my MAC deep deposits, gold deposits, to put those kind of glow. Mascara time. Her natural lashes are bomb, guys. Everything I like. So I am trying to push out her. Oh, see my face. I'm trying to push out her lashes, her natural lashes, but before popping in those false lashes. She has really lovely lashes. Wait until you see the under lashes. It's something to die for. I know. I am tripping. I love so much. She's anti open eyes. She doesn't like to open her eyes, but I finally tried my best. I've popped the false lashes and I'm trying to bring out her under lashes. Can you see that? Trying to bring it out. It's so huge, guys. It looks artificial. It looks like I popped something under there, but they are all hers. So hers. Oh, I like. So now I'm putting on this blush. My friend gave me this blush. My friend Chamaka, she gave me this blush, and I'm using my mauve blush brush to put it in there. So now it's her lippy time. Ooh. So I tried to know if I could line her lip first before popping that Fenty uncensored lippy on her, and that's it. I just lined it properly. I made sure I lined it properly before popping the lippy, and that is it. I loved the lip. It was so lovely.
That's the hair.
And so that is the finished look. That is the finished look. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumb up. Subscribe. I changed channel. This is my new channel, so please, guys, subscribe. It's a new channel. I need the support. Subscribe, give me a thumb up, comment below. Love you. Bye.